China Sejow Shenzhen Industrial Co., Ltd. Hardware Branch Huizhou, Chuanglixin Precision Manufacturing. The factory covers an area of 1,000 square meters. Has rich experience in processing and production, have the most advanced production equipment in the industry, mosaic turning and milling composite, stud turning and milling compound, CNC machining centers, automatic lathes, small CNC, the cold heading machine, accurate detection equipment 3-dimensional, and other various detection equipment. Some products of the company show have a strong sense of responsibility, high efficiency, sincere after-sales, super dedicated business team. Look forward to cooperating with you.